Welcome back, everybody. What we have here is a 2007 pair of Atmos Air Maxes that we're about to swap. First, pull them apart. This pair was hella old, so it was easy for me to just tear it apart with my bare hands.
While we scoping the scene to peep out what we getting into before we start to intervene, and I mean it. We took our time, no gimmicks, hooks, lines, just beats, life, and rhymes, architecture.
Next, time to prep the donor. I like to use an X-Acto. Now you want to use a fresh blade every time you do this. It'll make life a lot easier, and you don't run the risk of cutting into your stomach.
See, at this end of the road ain't no pots with gold. These streets is scary, rob you for the very props you hold. So son, stop your glory and start your roller, dig a hole for your body while I depart your soul.
Take all this gunk out, prep it with some acetone.
Devour beats, rhyme solid like concrete. Can't be discreet, hard to defeat. Roam the streets in my sleep, use survival techniques. Keep it real with the fan, while coward niggas turn their cheek, hustling to the peak.
Now we apply the glue. Do it in light layers like you're doing some paint. You don't want to glob it on there, because then it won't adhere right.
Slinging dubs and dimes to make it through the week as I invest into my lyrical conquest to be the best on the west. Aim these harsh words towards the Congress and the press.
Wait for it to dry. Put them together. Make sure all the parts are fitting.
Live life on a slope, freedom revoked. The system no joke. I still realize with no surprise my allies on the strive to stay alive and provide a vibe to teach the other tribes.
Hey yo, this beat is great, it makes me want to get up and illustrate. And it's in your weight on your mind state, what's real and what's fake. This is no mistake.
Now this midsole was cream, so I'm hitting it with a little bit of white, just to get that factory match.
And your head explodes with knowledge from these 97 grads from street college. Line you can't tame with the fame when the wrist watches.
Born a struggler, but I never to settle. Elevate my mind and finances to another level. Heavy foot, the old school Chevy pedal through my ghetto meadows. Good memory vicinities, I can't let go. These streets is hectic smoke from heavy metal, leaving youngsters vegetables. Unable to learn the rest of life lessons. So many get the message slow. Too busy testing the next nigga testicles, never knowing who's next to go. God bless the souls of those resting in peace. I'm destined to send a message in every lesson I teach. Repping the beat, rebelling the beast, inhaling the trees. Let my intelligence speak, my release free. Never kept on a leash, 3 feet, no reach. Delete the weak, presence is evidence. Impeaching each lead from your fleet like they the president. Everything you say sound irrelevant. Stay rocking your resident, twisting the medicine. This shit is heaven sent.
All that's left to do is lace them up, put them back on the streets. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Stay ill, everybody.